Following a series of national consultations, Human Services and Social Security Minister Dr. Vindhya Persaud announced that Guyana's Sexual Offences Act is set to become a more robust and progressive piece of legislation. This announcement was made on Monday during a public consultation and symposium hosted by the ministry's Sexual Offences and Domestic Violence Policy Unit. The event, part of Sexual Assault Awareness Month, was held in collaboration with the Ministry of Legal Affairs, Imperial House, the Ghana Responsible Parenthood Association (GRPA), and ChildLink. Minister Persaud confirmed that the act is still in the consultative phase, but emphasized the strength of the existing legislation while expressing confidence in its upcoming revisions.
Like the Sexual Offences Act of 2010, these were, when they were introduced at that time, very progressive pieces of legislation in this side of the world. Pretty much now, in many of the other Caribbean countries, they don't have legislation like this, even now.
She added that the Sexual Offender Registry will be part of the updated act. Under the proposed law, once a court makes the pronouncement, the convicted offender will be required to register in the national database. The registry will be maintained under the custody of the Commissioner of Police. Meanwhile, Attorney-at-Law Kim Kite-Thomas, during a presentation, said the primary aim of the proposed database is to protect children and vulnerable adults who may be exposed to sexual offenders.
Enhance the protection of victims, particularly vulnerable groups, such as minors and, of course, persons with disabilities. Introduce measures for monitoring of sexual offenders, and this will come through the register because there's going to be a reporting period for sexual offenders once they have been found guilty.
The Sex Offender Registry will apply to all citizens of Guyana who have been convicted of an eligible offense, whether locally or abroad. However, it will not apply to children or individuals diagnosed with a mental disability. Tiana reporting for the HGPTV News.